Hi friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really fun origami bookmarks. And for this project, you really can be as creative as you want. I have a bunch of different examples of bookmarks, different kinds you can make, and I'll be going into detail on how to make the bunny and the chicken. So let's get into the directions. Okay, so here are all the materials we'll need for this project. You're going to need some scissors, some colored markers. I have red, yellow, and some shades of pink, and a black marker as well, glue stick, and some white paper. You can also use tape, but I think glue works better. Also, if you have colored construction paper, it will make this project a bit easier and a bit faster, but it's not necessary, and I'll be showing you just how to do it with markers. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to make the regular bookmark base. When it's done, it'll just look like this. So to start, like all our origami projects, we're going to make a square. And to do that, we're going to fold this corner and this line up to this line here so that it looks like this. Then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut off the long skinny rectangle. Now we're actually going to save this scrap of paper for later, but for now I'm going to set it aside. And now we have just our triangle. So what we're going to do is we want to place our triangle like this so the long part is facing us. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one corner over here. We're going to take this tippy corner and we're going to fold it all the way to the top like this. And then we're going to take the other corner and we're going to do the exact same thing. It's going to fold all the way to the top so that it looks like this. Now we have a square or a diamond. Next, we're going to unfold our two corners so that now we have these two folds here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take just one paper. See how there's two here? We're just going to take the top one. We're going to fold the top corner all the way down so that these lines meet so that it looks like this. Just like that. See, if you fold both papers over, it's going to look like this. We don't want that. We want it to look like this. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is what we've just done is we created a little pocket in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take each of these little flaps and they're going to go inside the pocket. So you're going to hold the pocket with one hand. In the other hand, you're going to take the flap and you're going to put it inside the pocket like that. Now I'll show you again, just in case it's not clear. We did one side. We're going to take this corner, fold it up into our pocket. Now parents, you may need to help with this step. So that is the finished bookmark. I'm going to show you the last step one more time because I do think it can be a little tricky. So we're here and we just created a pocket and we're going to take each flap and we're going to fold it inside the pocket and you're going to make an extra crease at the top there. Take your flap and stick it inside your pocket and make a crease. So now I have another example in blue. Now, when we have our book, we don't finish the book and we want to stop on a certain page. we take our bookmark, take the page, and the bookmark goes on the page like that. So then when we go back to our book, it's easy to find. So this is the fun part where you get to take your plain bookmark and you get to make it into an animal or really anything you want. So I'm going to show you how to make a bunny and a chicken. And for these, you can take your leftover scrap and just color in the ends and then cut out the shapes you'll need. So I'm going to show you individually the shapes you'll need for each animal. Okay, so for our chicken, we are going to need 2 yellow hearts. These are going to be the legs. And then you'll need 1 red shape. This is going to be their hair up at the top like this. Then you're going to need 1 yellow triangle. This is going to be its beak. And you're going to need 1 red heart. And that is going to be its little gobble part. So I'm going to glue all this on and then come back and show you how to do the eyes. Okay, so I glued all of the parts together for our chicken, and its eyes are super easy. We're just gonna make them like this. And that's the chicken. Okay, now for the bunny, I made 2 ears, and then I made 2 smaller ears for the pink to go on top like that. Then the ears you're gonna glue behind like this. Then I made 2 light pink circles and then 1 dark pink circle. So I'm gonna glue all this on and then show you how to draw the rest. Okay, so I glued everything on for the bunny. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my black marker and I'm gonna draw some whiskers on each side of the cheek. And then I'm also gonna make the eyes kind of like the chicken. They'll just be little lines like that, and I'll do a little extra dot. So now my favorite part about the bunny is that when you put it in the book, the ears will stick out of the side like that. Thank you for following along to this origami bookmark tutorial. These are all the origami bookmarks I made. One of them I just colored. This is a monster. And then of course you saw the chicken and the bunny. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember to be creative and you can make it as crazy or wacky as you want. Bye.